Thought I'd give everybody a quick little tour of my office and toys. So there's one Surface Pro laptop, a 4 TB hard drive, another Switch, another like 27-inch monitor, TV, Raspberry Pi stack, another 4 TB hard drive, and then behind that box is another 4 TB hard drive. And then that guy right there is my old PC. And then, of course, my desk station, the beast of monitors, however you want to call it. It's pretty behemoth. I'm thinking about adding a fourth. And then, of course, this guy, which will be the highlight. Let me just kick that off. I'm done with this guy. I'm not messing with him any further. I mean, I could for days, but I'm in the top 1%. It's running quick and clean. I could overclock it even further, but I don't really feel the need, and I could add a lot more lights. I could do an open loop, but I gotta like stop somewhere, and I think that stopping is just gonna have me actually build another PC build using that GTX 970 over there. So we'll see. I don't know, another Ryzen GTX 970, a little bit more econo build versus, you know, an 1800X high end, even though that'll still be high end in VR ready. But I mean, look at that son of a bitch. It is, and it's adjustable. I mean, I can't change the two fans out to have light over on the right there, and I can't control the power supply down there, but I might replace that with the DPS RGB controllable power supply versus just that, which will still change, mind you, but I don't have control over it, and I'd like to, yeah, see now it goes blue and it'll phase through. I mean, if you look at the video card here, it's yellow right now. Give it a second, now it's green. So see, I've got it on a rainbow. Same as I've got the NZ XT cooler. It's on the rainbow. It'll just go through it, and then same as the RAM. I can't control the RAM yet, but MSI says that they're gonna eventually come out with that. And then both that fan and that fan, since they're powered by coolers that are all in one, I can't change it out to an RGB fan, which sucks. But I mean, I'm going to change out that power supply. Eventually I'll have full control over the RAM. The lights on the motherboard down here are, you'll see that it's breathing on the motherboard, and then I've matched the lights back behind the case to be breathing with it. And I'll be able to control it all eventually, so I'll replace that. I don't think I'll swap those fans out. I mean, I've got room for a liquid cooler right there, as you can see, or a controller of some sort if I needed to go with that. I just don't know. I mean, if I do an open loop, I'm going to go with a P5. I'm going to buy like a 5U radiator and stick it in there and keep everything ultra cool. But there you go. There's my 3-minute video. Here, I'll kick the lights off one more time. And I mean, she's a beautiful beast. $2,000, you know, about $2,050 all said and done, but top 1%. Can't be beat, baby. Cheers.